Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken rod. This legendary bottom fishing rod is a true game changer for anglers aiming to conquer the largest aquatic beasts. It boasts exceptional strength and a high casting weight, making it ideal for heavy-duty fishing. Acquiring this rod involves completing a series of challenging in-game tasks, proving your skill and dedication on the water. Let's dive into the details of how you can add this magnificent piece of equipment to your arsenal. Before you can even think about wielding the Kraken rod, there are a few crucial prerequisites. First, you'll need to achieve a high player level, usually around level 40, to unlock the necessary missions. Next, you must successfully complete the entire Monster Fish mission series, which tests your angling prowess against formidable opponents. Finally, ensure you have a substantial amount of in-game currency saved up. As the rod's components and upgrades can be quite costly, these steps lay the groundwork for your epic quest. The Kraken rod isn't purchased as a single item. Instead, it's assembled from several unique components. Each of these vital parts is awarded upon successfully defeating specific boss fish. You'll need to conquer 4 distinct monster fish, each guarding a piece of the legendary rod. These formidable aquatic adversaries are located in various advanced fishing destinations, requiring careful preparation and strategic angling. Gathering all 4 pieces is a testament to your skill and perseverance. Once you've collected all 4 components, head to any local tackle shop to assemble your Kraken rod. This powerful rod is best paired with a heavy-duty reel, capable of handling extreme loads, and a strong fishing line, typically over 50 pounds test. For bait, opt for large, enticing options and use heavy sinkers to reach the deep-water layers of monster fish. With this setup, you'll be ready to tackle the biggest challenges the game has to offer, reeling in those elusive trophy catches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.